I'm thinking like that time when I used to get depressed and also मैं सोचता था कि वो दिन कब आएगा जिस दिन मैं बाहर निकलूंगा और मैं बोलूंगा कि मैं पॉजिटिव नहीं नेगेटिव हूँ.
क्या बोलूं उसको. इतना कभी बोला नहीं है, बट मतलब kudos to Jackson for fighting COVID-19 and coming out safe. So first of all, I would like to introduce everyone. This is Jackson. We've been friends for past 6 or 7 years, I guess. So,
8 years.
time flies. मतलब उतना टाइम से फ्रेंड्स, सो वी यूज्ड टू बी इन टच ड्यूरिंग आवर डिप्लोमा कॉलेज के टाइम से, एंड इतना टाइम हुआ, 8 years हुआ जैक्सन. सही है. So I got a call from Jackson saying that he was tested positive and he wanted so we didn't check कि कैसा है क्या है, we just got to know कि he reached Kerala safely and then that's fine, quarantine, and we all thought he is okay and he's safe, and after few weeks we get to know that he's tested positive, so and now he's recovered, so he's safe right now. ठीक है, तो what is up Jackson, how are you?
I'm fine, recovered from COVID-19.
That's a great news.
Yeah.
So share your experience with us, like
Okay.
what was
So I will start my story.
Okay.
I was quite worried about my parents staying in Mumbai, so and running like from Mumbai to Kerala, and we hired a driver and also we hired a car.
Okay.
And we started our journey on 26th May and we reached Kerala on 27th May. Okay, so we were in the quarantine. There's a rule in every state that if you're coming from from any of the state to some state, like from Maharashtra to Kerala, then you have to follow a 14 days quarantine. Like you will be staying in a place where no one will be interacting with you, no one will be talking with you like that. So 14 days you have to stay in a place where you're completely isolated.
Okay.
So 14 we stayed in a government quarantine, which is near a Kodagara, a place called Kodagara in Kerala. So we were over there for 14 days. So on June 1st, I think so on May 28th morning we reached by 3 o'clock over there, and on May 29th my mom got a small fever. So we have the doctor's ka number. They give us doctor's ka number and all, PHC, that is called PHC, that is called primary healthcare numbers. So we called there. So doctors told like within half an hour I will be sending you the medicine. It was just paracetamol. So she was given the paracetamol, and within like 2 to 3 hours she was like okay. She the temperature went down. She was okay. On 1st June, my brother got fever. So again we called up that doctor, and my mom informed that I am okay. So she again sent us that same paracetamol. Within 2 hours or 3 hours he was cured, but they were having a doubt that is it a COVID or something like that. It may be. So we have come through Maharashtra, so they had a small doubt over there. So but we didn't had any doubt because so we never thought that it is a COVID, because the thing is that breathing ka problem, nothing we were having. So we thought like it's a normal fever because we have came through Khandala and all. The climate over there was cool. Okay. So we thought it is that type ka fever which we often
climate change
fever.
So
they were took on June 1st for testing. Ambulance came at our place, and they were taken by 108 ambulance to a place called Chalakudi hospital. So they were tested, and the results came little bit late on June 5th. Between that 4 days, like June 1st they were tested, and June 5th their results came. So on 3rd my dad got a temperature, same procedure, paracetamol, and on June 4th I got a fever. On 5th their results came, they were COVID positive, and on 5th and on 7th we were tested, me and dad, So on 5th they were tested positive and they were taken to hospital.
Okay.
They both were taken to the hospital. They were wearing PPE kit. They were given PPE kits and all. So at that time, knowing that my mother and my brother is COVID positive, and it is a very pressure
Dark scene.
that is building. Dark scene. That is building on your. It's like in your unconscious mind there are so many things that you have seen, like all the newses, all the negative newses. So that all went through your mind, like what will happen? What will happen next? Will it be a death, or will it be a success? Victory coming out of a. It's like a movie. We are fighting against so many things, and we are winning, or we are losing.
Okay.
So that climax, is it the climax happy ending? Yeah, is a climax happy ending or a sad ending? That was the feeling that time. So I was saying them, no problem nahi hai, kuch problem nahi hai. But actually I was very, very worried about it. Say.
So like जब तेरे को पता चला कि कोविड पॉजिटिव है, तो मैं ऐसा बहुत सारा न्यूज़ सुन रहा हूँ कि लोग काफी डिप्रेशन और काफी मतलब मेंटल स्टेट बहुत बुरा हो जाता है. तो मेरे को सुनने में आया था कि मेरा कजिन है ना, वो भी मतलब बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हो गया है कि मतलब काफी कम लोग इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तू अभी मतलब रिकवर होके आने के बाद कि समझ रहा है वो जो स्टेट है कि कैसा है, क्योंकि रोज अल्टरनेट 2-3 डेज पे तेरा टेस्ट होता है लगता है हॉस्पिटल्स में. तो फिर वो पॉजिटिव आता है तो कुछ साइंस नहीं दिखता है, तो फिर वो काफी डिप्रेसिंग हो जाता है कि हाउ लॉन्ग आई विल बी हियर, तो रिकवर होएगा कि नहीं. तो मतलब तेरा एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था मतलब रिजल्ट्स में कि 14 डेज?
हाँ, सो दैट इज अदर थिंग. मेरे टाइम में जब मैंने एडमिट हो गया था तब एक रूल था कि 2 नेगेटिव्स मतलब एक बार नेगेटिव लिया, एक बार स्वैब लिया, नेगेटिव आया.
नेगेटिव
तेरा हाँ मतलब आफ्टर यू गेट एडमिटेड इन योर हॉस्पिटल, you need 2 consecutive negative results to get discharged.
Okay.
So they take your swab 2 times. हाँ मतलब तेरे को 2 बार तेरा स्वैब लेंगे, मतलब एक बार स्वैब लेंगे, टेस्ट करेंगे, नेगेटिव आएगा, दूसरा बार स्वैब लेंगे, टेस्ट देगा, नेगेटिव आएगा, then you will be getting discharged. That was the rule, but now they have changed that rule because some people are getting positive, first negative, then they are getting positive, then they are getting again negative. So like that cycle goes on. Like for 42 days there was a lady who was admitted for 42 days.
Okay.
So that is this thing. But the main thing is that the depression part that you said is all about is right, because we were interacting with so many people over there, because we are free to roam in the we can talk to the people, because people who all over are admitted over there all are COVID positive, right? So there is no problem that you don't want to talk to those people, because they are also positive, we are also positive. So there is no problem. So we can talk to people. We can they literally say, doctors literally say us that please go and talk with those people, so you will get thoda relaxed ka mood and all. Because staying the first thing during the COVID when it was detected, it was like staying in one room. So there were many cases that people suicide attempt. It was because they were isolated in a room. So I think we have to be sad because it's a sad time, but we have to think what driven me out of this depression was like, one day will come for me when I will be out of this isolation, and I will come out and I will I will defeat Corona and I will come out of it. So that day I was waiting, and that day eventually came. So I'm thinking like that time when I used to get depressed and also मैं सोचता था कि वो दिन कब आएगा जिस दिन मैं बाहर निकलूंगा और मैं बोलूंगा कि मैं पॉजिटिव नहीं नेगेटिव हूँ, and I will be doing all my normal stuff that I used to do. So that day actually will be that day of freedom for me, fighting all this COVID and all coming out of. So that day, a day of goal, और क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वो सक्सेस डे को सोचकर अपना अनसक्सेसफुल डेज निकालो. That's
Okay.
the golden rule.
तो ये फेज में यूजुअली लोग किसी को बताते नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब तुझे कोविड हुआ था तो तूने रिकवर होने के बाद हमको बताया. हम लोग को लगा तू ऐसे ही बोल रहा है, मजाक में बोल रहा है. तूने हम लोग को वॉइस मैसेज भेजा ग्रुप में, हम लोग को लगा कि अरे देख रहा है इतने दिन के बाद बता रहा है करके. तो मतलब तू अगर वो टाइम पे वो स्टेट पे मतलब वो क्या चीज मतलब वो सपोर्ट तो वैसे किससे शेयर करने के लिए कोई था या फिर कोई फ्रेंड्स या किसी के हेल्प थ्रू मतलब वो फेज में?
Actually, we get, there is a call center type of setup in Kerala where every district has a call center type setup where all the psychologist people sit together. उन लोग फोन करते हैं, ठीक है, उन लोग फोन करते हैं और फोन हर एक उन लोग फॉलो अप करते हैं. वो भी जो भी इवन क्वारंटाइन पेशेंट्स को उन लोग फोन करके पूछते हैं, हैव यू हैड फूड, हाउ इज द थिंग्स गोइंग ऑन, व्हाट इज योर मेंटल हेल्थ. उन लोग सब अपडेट पूछ के रखते हैं. इवन क्वारंटाइन, नॉट पॉजिटिव, क्वारंटाइन पीपल
चेकअप
पॉजिटिव वालों को भी चेकअप रखते हैं उन लोग कैसे है करके. क्योंकि उन लोग भी बहुत लोग 14 days क्वारंटाइन मतलब इट इज नॉट इजी सो पीपल so people sometimes just end up their life. So उन लोग चेकअप रखते हैं कि उनका मेंटल हेल्थ स्टेबिलिटी कितना है. तो इवन कोविड-19 जो भी कोविड पॉजिटिव है they also call. okay, तो हम लोग फोन करते. बट मेरा अलग मेंटल था, मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ था, बिकॉज आई नेवर लाइक people calling because I know this thing. okay, हाँ है, अभी हो गया, अभी वो फोन करके बात करने से मेरा मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ ना बढ़ेगा ना कम होगा, बिकॉज आई हैव दैट इंटरनल स्ट्रेंथ. वो जो है मेरे पास वो चीज. so it depends on the person to individual
person to
that
person.
how
while we are in quarantine while we are tested positive, so what do you think people should do, like what people should do while they are in quarantine to like change their mind, like ये नहीं है to that negative मतलब वो negative extent से बाहर हटके मतलब या connect to friends, like what do you want to recommend people, like अगर मेरे को COVID-19 है तो मैं उसको overcome कैसे कर सकता है ये state में, mental state में. तो तू क्या recommend कर सकता है मतलब कि क्या क्या easy है, क्योंकि अभी काफी लोग stories insta stories में post कर रहे हैं कि quarantine होके negative निकल के yeah I got through this वैसा. तो क्या मतलब क्या recommend करेगा तू ऐसे?
the thing is that first see whether you need the support. वो इंडिविजुअल ये रहेगा, क्योंकि जिसको सपोर्ट चाहिए रहेगा he or she should call his best friend, like best friend, उसका जो बडी रहेगा एकदम, और उसका जो पेरेंट्स, अगर पेरेंट्स भी इन्फेक्टेड नहीं है, is the individual person who is infected, then he or she should call that parents or best friends, best buddies and all, so they can have a chat,
काफी
so they can get relaxed.
हाँ, काफी पॉजिटिविटी और वो मेंटल स्टेट रहेगा तो फटफट रिकवर हो सकता है. मतलब वो पॉजिटिविटी
फटफट रिकवर हो सकता है.
हाँ, मतलब अगर तू वो अच्छे वाले फेज में है जहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट मिल रहा है और फिर मतलब तेरे अराउंड पॉजिटिव है और तू हाँ कुछ मतलब काफी नेगेटिव न्यूज से इम्पैक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, तो तेरा रिकवरी रेट काफी जल्दी है, ऐसा मेरे को लग रहा है कि
हाँ. मुझे ये बात बोलना था तुझे कि there is no medicine given to me when after I admitted to hospital till I discharged, because there was no medicine. If you have any symptoms, because there were some people around me who had some थोड़ा ऐसा कफ जैसा आ रहा था, तो they were given antibiotics for that और paracetamol, that's it, nothing. मैं सोचा था ग्लूकोज, जैसा हम लोग हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हो जाते तो वो ग्लूकोज चढ़ाते हैं हम लोग, एक एक चीज आते इंजेक्शन घुसाते हैं, वो हाथ में वो ट्रिप डालने के लिए वो इंजेक्शन नीडल घुसा के रखते हैं हमेशा जो हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हुआ था. इट इज नथिंग लाइक दैट. यू आर जस्ट स्टेइंग इन अ प्लेस, यू आर जस्ट स्लीपिंग इन अ बेड, 3 टाइम का खाना आ जाता है, खाने का, लोगों से बात करने का, देन जस्ट दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स. इट्स नॉट लाइक कोविड पॉजिटिव हो गया तो ग्लूकोज लाएंगे, एंटीबायोटिक्स देगा, पूरा मेडिसिन, वेंटिलेटर, नथिंग.
It's just good food.
It's just like a good food. In Kerala you will get good food. 4 times you will get good food. That's it.
That's true.
It's all about it.
Okay, so like I want you all to know कि Jackson just posted a message saying that he wanted to share his experience about his this this phase. तो तेरे को ऐसा क्या लगा कि तेरे को लोगों के साथ शेयर करना है, मतलब लोगों के साथ शेयर करने के लिए क्या इंस्पिरेशन आया कि लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहिए ये चीज?
Because the thing is that in India, मीडिया ऐसा एक माहौल बना के रख दिया है कि infection is equal to death. Because there's a interesting incident that happened with me, because the thing was that like कि मुझे जब कोविड पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट आया उस दिन मेरा व्हाट्सएप, मेरा बैचमेट एक लड़की थी, शी वाज फ्रॉम कॉम्स डिपार्टमेंट, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट, शी डाइड बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड इन मुंबई। एंड उसका फोटो व्हाट्सएप में डाल के लोग रेस्ट इन पीस डाल रहे थे वो टाइम पे। एंड दैट टाइम आई वाज, बिकॉज ऑफ शी डाइड बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड, and at that time I got the result that I am COVID positive. So that time I was like, am I the next person to like मेरा photo आएगा, I'm the next person to put my photo in that and they will putting my RIP. So ऐसा एक feeling आ गया था कि shit यार अभी क्या होगा करके। So that is the these all phases you also will be if people टेस्ट पॉजिटिव, उनको भी ये सब फेस थ्रू से निकलना पड़ेगा। सो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ये मैं एक चीज बोलता हूँ कि हमेशा लाइफ में कुछ होता है तो वो अच्छे के लिए होता है। सो आई डोंट नो इट देयर इज एनी कनेक्शन बिटवीन माय फ्यूचर एंड दिस पास्ट व्हाट आई हैड। सो it is like Steve Jobs saying connect the dots. So I'm waiting for that dots to happen. So don't worry, even if you get infected, don't worry, because it is not, infection is not equal to death. Make sure that you don't go out, seeing that fever come ho gaya karke 7 days, you just wait for that, and after that it's all yours. World is all yours. COVID-19 is over.
ये वापस हो सकता है, मतलब वापस इन्फेक्ट हो सकता है अगर you are prone to the
yeah. I spoke to one of the doctor, and doctor told me like there are 3 stages in your immune system, right? One is you're reacting to it, then neutralizing your virus, and third is you're memorizing. Like if this virus again comes into your body, what should the body do? The memory cells just acquire it in your memory cells. Okay. So ये memory cells अगर इन लोग ने acquire कर दिया तो तुझे वापस होगा कोरोना, so that memory cells know कि ये कोरोना वायरस आया था, हम लोग ने ये सब करके ये वायरस को निकाला था। So वो वायरस को निकाला जाएगा हमेशा, मतलब इट इज you won't get a fever also sometimes. So doctors say it is
नहीं
very
दिखेगा,
हाँ symptoms कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, but the problem is that you can be a carrier, you can be a virus carrier like that. So always wash hands, sanitize your hands, keep a mask, that's it.
ठीक है। So मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर नहीं किया है, सो आई जस्ट वांटेड यू टू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस। अपने फ्रेंड्स को पता चले कि ये सब सीन है, ये सब ऐसा हो रहा है, सो वी कैन ओवरकम दिस। हाउस लाइफ नाउ? मतलब
it's normal, it's back to normal. So yesterday I went to your place, to your native place, to buy some fish, Chalakudi, Elvin's native place. So I went over there, and tomorrow I'm planning to go to Ernakulam.
Okay.
To my uncle's place. So like that. And people are little bit worried, like these people has got corona, so we have to be thoda ye care. I asked the doctor that can I transmit it, so he said no, it is already dead, your virus is already dead now, it won't affect anyone.
Kerala में now people from any part of the country, it's like पहले देखेगा तो अबे क्या बोलते, मतलब लोग बाहर से आएगा, लोग पैनिक हो जाते हैं, अरे वो मुंबई से आया, अरे वो दिल्ली से, अरे वो इधर से आया, अरे वो जापान से आया। मतलब तेरे को कोविड नहीं है तो भी मतलब लोग ऐसा बोल के बाकी लोगों को डरा रहे हैं, वैसा हो रहा है काफी जगह मैं सुना।
ऑफ कोर्स वो एक डर तो सबको रहता है, बट द थिंग इज दैट पीपल आर ओवर कंसर्न्ड ओवर हियर, बिकॉज़ it is mainly the media is playing a bigger role in this, because people are not aware. It is a new virus, right? Even the doctors are not fully aware about this virus and all. So media is playing a bigger role, and media can play a fair role too, but they want TRP, and also they are playing a very bad role in it, because they are actually they are making fear. They are not making corona free place, or no, they are not actually literating the people. They are actually illiterating the people about virus, because it will really affect so many people's mental health also, because even the family, our driver, the person who we hired, his wife told like, don't come to house, like don't घर पे मत आना, उधर से किधर चले जाना, मतलब क्वारंटाइन, गवर्नमेंट क्वारंटाइन में चले जाना, don't come to our house, like the house that was built by our driver. His own wife told this dialogue to him. So this all makes really a person, morale down, depression. This all things create depression, because if we can't help someone, at least give some good words to that person. If you know that person is going for quarantine or some positive, just give some good words. That's it. That is all thing that you can do, because that small words can sometimes help some people.
Okay.
So you can do that. Actually, you can do that. Actually, yes. It will really help them.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. So that's it, Jackson. Thank you for sharing your experience with us. It was great having you on my channel.
Yeah.
It's a first, conversation or something like, क्या बोलते हैं, एक से एक बात, ऐसा कुछ इंटरव्यू टाइप पहली बार मैं कर रहा हूँ.
मन की बात.
तो थैंक यू जैक्सन शेयर करने के लिए.
Okay.
और बाकी सब कैसा है?
ബാക്കി सब ठीक है रे.
നീ ഒരു കാര്യം അറിഞ്ഞാ എന്നെ പറ്റിയിട്ട്? 2 തെണ്ടികൾ എനിക്ക് വിളിച്ചടാ, ഞാൻ ജീവിച്ചിരിക്കണ്ടോന്ന് ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് എനിക്ക് വിളിച്ച, എന്നോട് ഞാൻ കൊറോണ പിടിച്ച് കിടക്കായിരുന്നു. അറിഞ്ഞാ നിങ്ങളിതൊക്കെ?